So what we will do here, and we will look at how to install Google Chrome on Ubuntu Desktop 26. And first we will see how to download Google Chrome for Ubuntu, and then we will install it, and then we will also look at how to upgrade Chrome to the latest version. This is actually very easy. Just need to open Firefox and then go to the URL google.com/chrome. And then click on this download Chrome button, and from here select 64-bit.deb package for Debian/Ubuntu, and then click on accept and install, and that will download the Google Chrome installer for Ubuntu. And once you downloaded the package, you can install it using either GUI or the command prompt. If you use the GUI, right click the .deb package and then select open with App Center, and then click on the install button here, and that will install Google Chrome. And if you do this using the command prompt, you can open a terminal and then cd into your download folder, and here's our Google Chrome install, and we will install it using the apt install command. And when you specify the name of the deb file, make sure to put a / before the file name, like this. And at the end you will see this notice, and you can ignore it, and it is not an error. So now we have installed Chrome, and we will open it from the applications menu. And also I want to show you something, that after sometimes if you see this message can't upgrade Google Chrome, what you need to do, go to software update, and from here if there's a update you can install it from here, and it will be available from here.